Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We love the opportunity to earn a great review from you, too. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.